you could be sitting on a gold mine of videos right now and not even know it. Yeah, I'm talking about making money by re-uploading videos legally and ethically. Now let's dive into it, guys. Hello beautiful people, it's your girl here bringing you some lowdown on some important topics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can legally and ethically re-upload video to make money by the side. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Re-uploading videos, of course, yes. And you're also thinking that sounds shady. Hold it. I'm gonna show you how this can be done. So do not click away, just come with me as I take you through this process. No copyright infringement here. Now, this is some serious money-making magic that I'm going to show you today. So guys, let me tell you this small story. A friend of mine who was struggling to make ends meet stumbled upon this method that I'm going to show you today in this video. Bear in mind, she isn't tech savvy. She doesn't know much about the internet. She had zero editing skills. And definitely she wasn't trying to get sued by using someone else's content. But she learned a few tricks. And let me tell you, now she is making money by just re-uploading some videos. The twist, she did this without creating any new content herself. Now, the very first step that I will show you is what is called Creative Commons. Now, what is Creative Commons? All right, first things first, let's talk about Creative Commons. This is your golden ticket. There are some videos out there released under the Creative Commons license, meaning the creators have given permission for anyone to reuse those videos and even monetize them. YouTube itself has so many videos under the Creative Commons. Now, how do you get hold of these videos? Just go to YouTube and under the search, just type in your niche. Now, when you type in your niche, filter it to videos that are only for Creative Commons. Now, the second step is for you to find the right niche. Now, this is where the magic actually happens. You need to find a niche that has high demand and low competition. Think about what people are always searching for. Maybe it's fitness tutorials, cooking hacks, meditation guides, or even animal videos. Now, once you find your niche, look for videos in that category. The very third step is downloading and re-uploading the videos. This part is the juicy part, guys. Find the video you like, make sure it is Creative Commons, and download it. There are plenty of online tools out there that can help you download these videos. Now, when you've downloaded these videos, you can now re-upload them to your own channel. But guys, wait, we're not just gonna upload them to our channels the way the videos are. We're going to put a twist to it. Okay, so step 4 is putting your own twist to that particular video that you have downloaded from Creative Commons. Now, why do we need to put a twist to it? You need to make this video your own, like you put your signature to it. And this is important for you to avoid duplicate content. Add something extra to them. Maybe it's the intro or outro with your own commentary. This is the good way. This is the way to put your own signature to it. Or some background music, or a few cuts and edits to make it flow better. This is what adds value and make people want to watch your version over the original. Now, step 5 is monetization. Here is where the money comes in, guys. Once you've got few videos up, start working towards getting your channel monetized. Now, we all know that YouTube, for you to be monetized on YouTube, you would have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch views. And guys, once you're there, boom, the money will start rolling in without you even raising any finger to create your own content. So guys, another step is 7. Step 7 is the last step, and this is the affiliate links. So while you're building up to get your 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers, why don't you start adding affiliate links in the description of your videos? If, for instance, you're re-uploading fitness videos, you can actually add affiliate links of supplements and fitness gears to the description of that particular video, and you're making money. If you're re-uploading cooking videos, why not add affiliate links of cooking gadgets? You know why? Double the income stream, double the fun. Now you might be thinking, is it really this easy? Everything we do in life requires hard work, but at the end it is doable, and people are using this method to make a lot of money. Remember, we're not just re-uploading for the sake of it. We are providing value, we are giving it our own twist, and making sure at the same time that we respect the original creator of that particular video by using Creative Commons content. So what is stopping you? Dive into that Creative Commons treasure trove and start building that passive income today. And hey, if this video had helped you out, hit the like button. Share it with someone who could need a little extra cash, and do not forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Before you go, let me know in the comment section the niche that you want to jump into. Or if you got questions, I'm here for you. And remember, this is our community. We are here to lift each other up. So do not forget to watch the next video up there. And thank you for sticking around. I hope to see you in my next. Once again, thank you.